way you behave, I feel I can speak for the entire office. When I tell you, go fuck yourself.
Yeah, it was great, bro. Who's the man?
I'm the man.